Abul Aswad Riyali states that Hazrat Imran bin Hussain radiyallahu anhu said to him, "Tell me why the people are performing actions and exerting themselves to perform them. Is it something about which the decree has been issued and predestination has been established? Or are the people performing actions as per Sharia, which their Prophets ﷺ have brought and the proven arguments?" I said, "No, their action is in accordance with those things about which the decree has been issued and what has been preordained for them." He said, "Isn't it cruelty?" He said, "I got flustered at it. So I said, everything is the creation of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and is in His position and power. He Jalla Jalaluhu is not answerable because of any of His action, and the creature will be asked about everything." He said to me, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shower mercy on you, intended only to check your wisdom by this question. Two men from Muzaina tribe entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why are the people performing actions today and exerting themselves for them? Is it something about which the decree has been issued and predestination has been established? Or are the people performing action as per Sharia brought by their Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and proven arguments?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No, rather their action is in pursuant of what has been decreed and what has been preordained for them, and it has been testified by the book of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." Translation: "And by the soul and Him who perfected it, then inspired its loudness and its piety." Surah Shams, verse 8. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6681.